Many of us have a foam roller, but do you know how to use it? So today I'm going to teach you how to foam roll your quads as fast and as effective as possible. So first, the quads, you want to place the foam roller right here. Okay, there's no need to do it on the sides. So the quads, the foam roller is going to roll right here and at this point. Okay, so get into position like this. All the pressure should be on the part that you want to foam roll, and you just go up and down. You can turn slightly to catch different angles, and you just roll it for about a minute to two. So how long you roll it for, it's not about the intensity. I would say it's more about the frequency, as often as you can do it. About 2 minutes or 3 minutes each time, it will be sufficient, as many times throughout the day.